Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. Today what we are doing is French toast. It's a very easy recipe and you can do it in just a matter of minutes. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is putting my eggs in a bowl. Okay, I'm making lots today, so I'm using 4 eggs. Alright, so you are all welcome to this channel. This is Nana's Food World. This is where we do yummy recipes, delicious ones. Okay, I'm trying to mix the eggs. So what I have here, guys, I have some sugar. I'm using brown sugar because I love brown sugar. Or you can use custard sugar, white custard sugar, so it's okay to use any sugar that you prefer. And I have some salt, just about, I'll put the measurement down, some salt and some cinnamon. So I'll put the sugar in and the salt and the cinnamon there. I put the sugar in because I want it to dissolve quickly. Okay, before I add the other ingredients, I want to add the milk. Okay, I know it's a lot of milk, but I'll put the measurement down below for you to just use it. Because normally if you want to do just a little one, you just have the ingredients and then you use it. Oh, I love cinnamon, really smells good. So the next bit I need to do, because I love the fresh scent of nutmeg, so I'm going to just grate just a little bit of nutmeg. I know I'm using a very big grater, so right, so just about half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Oh, that smell is really nice. And then I add definitely my vanilla extract. Okay, so I add just about a half a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Oh, smells so good. It's really a yummy. Okay, so what we are going to do, we're going to just dip the bread into this mixture and then fry it. Very quick, takes a few minutes to do this. Right guys, so I've put butter in the pan and switch on the stove. Okay, so what the bread I am using here, as you can see, it's white bread, but it's a thick cut bread. If you use a thick cut, the ingredients will go into it and it will make it much nicer rather than using the medium cut. So that's why I like the thick cut. So I have my bread. Okay, and what you do is to dip the bread into this lovely butter. Okay, soak it nicely. Okay, and I'm going to put that into the pan. Let me just check my pan. I have my butter spread all over, so I'm going to put that into the pan. So you turn it as and when it's golden. Just let it be golden and crispy, and we turn it the other round. And my goodness, it's smelling so good. Right, so guys, it's been cooking for a while, just a few minutes. You just turn it. Smells really nice, guys. So guys, our toast is ready. It's crispy on the outside, as you can see here. Okay, and really it will be delicious inside, guys. Put that on a plate. So I'm going to fry just a few of them more, and then we'll have a taste test. So guys, our French toast is done. It really smells really good. I'll tell you, you have to try this recipe. It's very delicious, and is very easy and quick to do. Just put out the ingredients together, dip it into the butter, and then fry it. That's all that you need to do, and it's really delicious. As you can see here, I have just cut it. The outside is crispy and the inside is really yummy. Just look at that. Just look at that. Okay, it's really delicious. So try this recipe. It's very quick to do. Have your cup of tea and you have a really nice breakfast. So if you like this video, guys, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and put on your post notifications, okay? So when I put up a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Bye.